Now, today we're going to focus on the teaching of probably the greatest Kabbalist of all time, Rabbi Isaac Luria, commonly known as the Ari, the lion. The Ari lived in 16th century Israel. He was at the center of the mystic circle in the north of the country, in the city of Sfad, or Safed. And the Ari sought answers to this existential dilemma in the dynamics of the genesis of the manifest universe. According to the Ari, during the first few moments of creation, in an act reminiscent of the Big Bang of the physicists, God sent a burst of light and energy direct from the realm of the infinite and the absolute into the nascent universe. However, this fragile vessel could not contain the power of the infinite light, and it shattered. And as a result, the original structure of the entire universe collapsed, and a new reality formed in its place. This new universe, sparks of divine light, nitzutzot, are fused with shards of concrete matter, klipot, and everything that exists is a mixture of light and darkness, good and evil, joy and sorrow, success and failure. As a result of this cosmic shattering, nothing in this universe is perfect. Nothing is whole. Everything is in a state of essential brokenness. All is chaos, tohu. And this is the reason for the suffering and difficulty we see all around us, in whichever direction we turn. Now, if this was the whole of the Ari's teaching, then no one be learning his books anymore. It would just be too depressing. So there's another side to the Ari's teaching, a message of tremendous hope. Yes, our world may be in a state of brokenness, but that brokenness is not irreparable. It can be fixed. Amid the fragmentation, there's the possibility of healing and repair. Called in Hebrew, tikkun. We have the power within us to raise the sparks out of the darkness and unite them again to their supernal source. We can lift ourselves out of our broken state and return ourselves in the world to wholeness. Using the power of heart, mind, and soul, we can overcome the limitations of our lower nature and become our true selves. This is the fundamental work of tikkun, of curing and restoring, that lies at the heart of our task as human beings in this world.